This week's full course weekly meal idea comes from Costco. To start, we're going to grab this hibachi miso salad kit. There was not many in stock. For 2 bags, they're marked for $4.99 for both. Here's a closer look of the packaging details. And for our main entree, we're going to get these pork and chicken dumplings. They're supposed to be Japanese style gyozas. They're regularly $14.49, but on sale for $10.49. There was not many left. I had to go and dig at the very back to grab one of those boxes. As for our drink, I got one of these Lee Coffee Latte Concentrates. They are regularly $18.79. And for dessert, we got these Madeline Crystal Taro Cakes. Normally $11.99. Your card's going to look a little something like this. And your total is going to be $46.26. Let's start off by making our drink. There's plenty of options to do with these containers. Here's a couple listed here on the back, and here's a couple more. We decided to go with the mocha frap, so we're going to follow that recipe. When you follow the mocha recipe, it's going to look like something like this. Definitely very creamy frap, I would have to say. Next, we're going to toss our salad, and this is what our salad looked like. There was this huge piece of lettuce on there, but that's perfectly fine. It still was very yummy. The dressing it came with was very creamy and light, and then also the little add-ons gave it a nice little crunch. Here are the dumplings. There were parts of the pan that I feel like probably had more heat than others, so it came out a bit more crispier on the top versus the bottom, but it was still phenomenally delicious. This is what your plate would look like with the dumplings and salad. I was able to get a nice crispy bottom on some of the dumplings. The package also came with a dipping sauce. It was a bit on the sweeter side, but it was really good. Now time for desserts. These taro cakes are beautifully packed. This is what it looks like outside of its packaging. Here it is from another angle. It's very flaky, I would have to say, the kind of pastry with the taro filling. I personally wasn't a fan of it. I didn't find it to my palate. However, you might think differently. That's this week's full course weekly meal idea. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe.